What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam. I have a lot of plants. That's what we talk about here. And today I have plant mail. The other day I was surfing around on Instagram, just watching Instagram stories, doing the things that I do when I'm supposed to be doing other things that I'm supposed to be doing. And I came across a post from Maria from Bloom and Grow Radio, which is a podcast about houseplants. So if you don't know that, now you know that. You should listen to it. It's pretty great. Anyway, she posted that this company, Little Prince, which I'm pretty sure I've called Little Frog at least 10 times this week, had Rhaphidophora tetraspermas listed on their website. And the post was like 2 hours old, and I was convinced that there was no way I was going to get one. And then I clicked the link, and sure enough, there was still one left. I have a much safer cutting device today, and we're gonna open this without hurting ourselves. I literally just pinched my finger in between the thingies, so this has been in the mail for about 3 days. Let's see how she did. So it looks like they use this. You guys, there's an air plant in here. Oh my gosh. It says, I sent you a surprise too, Joan. Okay, Joan knows the way to a girl's heart, let me tell you. Oh, it's so cute. Looks really healthy too. Tillandsia ionantha. Tillandsia ionantha. Okay. Well, you're not happy, we're not happy. Well, I'm happy. Why is there more things? Hold on. It's for the air plant. Look at it. Yo. I love this so much. Thank you, Joan. Okay, so here's the actual plant that I ordered now that I've been delighted by a bunch of surprises. This wouldn't be a video if I didn't have to vacuum afterwards. I love this packaging. This is like really smart and probably much more environmentally friendly than a lot of other packagings. I love it so much. I love this so much. Check it out. Look at it. It's beautiful. So I have one leaf with the split, two leaves with the splits right there. And then a few other more juvenile leaves. This is awesome because a lot of the other ones that I've seen listed for about the same price that I got this for don't have any leaves with the splits yet, so they're even younger plants than this. This is a 4.5-inch pot. Let me tell you how much it was. So this was $39.99, which I thought was like pretty fair, pretty good. I see plants that are like cuttings about this size going on Etsy for that much, so I thought this was a pretty good deal. The shipping was a bit, it was $23.99 for the shipping. So that, I like hesitated just a little bit, but then I was like, you know what? Even with the shipping, that's still a really good price for this plant. So I'm really happy that I decided to order it because like, I mean, I would have been happy even without the surprises, but the surprises are pretty sweet. You guys, this plant has been on my wish list for like 2 years. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to quickly unbox this for you. I'm gonna bask in the glow of finally getting a wish list plant. I have one more coming. So thanks for watching my video, guys. As always, thanks for all the love and support. I am completely bowled over by how many people I keep waking up to. It's crazy. Okay.